This is my brother's gaming setup and it's an absolute mess. He left for college and left his desk a complete mess of his setup. So like there's random stuff there, like rubber bands on the desk, and for some random reason under the desk there's sugar. I'm not too sure why, kind of sus, but we're gonna clean it up here today because he's gonna be coming back from college. So I want to build my brother his dream gaming setup and we're gonna surprise him with it. First thing we need to do is go get stuff for his actual setup because we do not have anything for the time being. So we get to do the fun part, which is the shopping bit. And I've already ordered a few things off Amazon, like actually a mouse pad for setup on top of a laptop stand and as well as a 60% keyboard because yeah, he needs a 60% keyboard since he's a gamer. Now we're going to Best Buy right now because Best Buy will be able to get the HDMI cable because we do not have one, as well as possibly a gaming mouse. I'm gonna check if I see one in my studio, and if not, we'll grab one from there while we're at it. Thankfully, we do not need to buy a pair of headphones since I have some headphones laying around the city here. These are SteelSeries Arctic 3 headphones, which will be more than enough for his actual setup. And I do come with a microphone in themselves, but FIFA was kind enough to send out their AM8T microphone kit, which comes with a boom arm, a dynamic microphone, and everything you really need for a gaming setup. And this can also be used for a streaming setup because I actually plan to use this with his laptop setup later here to make a perfect streaming laptop setup. So if you guys don't want to miss that video and you're interested, definitely get subscribed. So for the mouse of choice, we went with the Logitech G203 gaming mouse, which I got this for $23 a while back, which is an absolute steal. Now, of course, everything in this video, I will have a link down below. So if you use any of those links, they do support the channel at no extra cost to you guys, which is awesome. And of course, that way, if you want to build a setup for yourself, you can absolutely do so. So I will have a wireless option linked down below as well. Now for laptop, we'll be using this setup. We got the ProRP16 gaming laptop, which is rocking an RTX 5070 with 8GB of VRAM, 32GB of DDR5 memory, clocked at 7,000 megahertz, as well as a Ryzen 9 AI Hex 370 CPU, 12 cores, 24 threads. This is gonna be more than enough for my brother's use case, or if he wants to switch out the laptop and a setup, it'll be easy plug and play, where he can literally swap it out with his laptop, or maybe if his girlfriend wants to come over and study, she can plug in her laptop. That's the whole point of this setup, is like anyone can really use it, but it's primarily meant for my brother. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is actually clean up his setup because there's just so much going on with it. Like there is a mouse pad already here we could theoretically use, but honestly, it's super dirty and there's actually more than just one. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of these. I'll save these for something else. I'm not too sure what all these rubber bands, tissues, and all this stuff's for, but we're just gonna get this on out of the way for the time being and put somewhere. I'm not too sure where, but I will figure out a home for it. Luckily, there's a monitor already here, so we will not have to worry about switching out the monitor since it's a LG 1920 by 1080 monitor, 65 Hz refresh rate. Not the craziest thing in the world, but gonna be more than enough for our setup. Is this an umbrella? What is this? A bat? So what I'm gonna focus on for the time being is just cleaning this on out and figure out a home for everything real fast. I think he's gonna absolutely love it. So all the stuff just arrived in today, so we're gonna get started building up the setup before my brother gets back home so I can actually show him his new setup. So far, I've already set up the stand in the setup because this part was probably the most annoying bit. It was actually disassembled all the way through, so I had to reassemble each and every piece to get this to work. Kind of annoying for what I spent for it. It's like 50 bucks, but still, I thought it was gonna come mostly assembled, but that wasn't the case. Everything else still came in. The one issue I have right now is the mouse pad is too small. Like, it works for our use case, but I thought it was gonna be like way bigger than this. So we'll be able to fit our keyboard here, but our mouse is gonna be kind of tight on space. So I might look at getting a extra large version of it because the design is what I'm looking for. Just the size of it, it isn't. So the first thing we're gonna do is actually set up our laptop on our stand here. So we should be able to just slip in our laptop from the top here like so. And we should be able to slip this in with no issue. And we can just adjust it however we want. So I'm gonna adjust it to height level, so something around about here, so it's lined up with the actual monitor. So I've got an HDMI cable coming in from our monitor over there, so we should be able to just plug this on the side of our actual laptop here, and we should be able to get a display once we turn this on in. So let me just plug this in for the time being. All right, so it's already got power going through it, so we should be able to just turn on our laptop. When signing in, we got access to both displays, so we got display 1 and display 2 because it's an extended display, which is awesome. The refresh rate on this is not crazy compared to that one. Like that is 120, this is 60 Hertz, but still, this looks more than awesome for gaming. So next thing we need to do is set up our mic, headset, and keyboard and mouse. So I'm gonna hook up our G Pro wireless mouse on the side here. So what I got here is the Win 60 keyboard, which is like a $60 or $50 keyboard, does 60%. And supposedly it's supposed to be like a Wooting copy for their Wooting H60HE. So it'll be interesting to see how this actually sounds compared to another one. Comes with a lot of stuff inside the box. The packaging in itself is not too bad though. It looks pretty good to say the very least. You can see like where that wrist thing goes, and it connects via USB-C right here. So we're gonna power it that way. So it comes with a USB-A to USB-C cable to power the actual keyboard, as well as a switch remover if you're interested in doing that. Plus a little ribbon thing which we can put on the side of our keyboard. And then some screws. I'm not too exactly sure for what though. Oh, the screws are for the actual ribbon to hold it in place. Now if you guys are wondering how the keyboard sounds like, I'm gonna give you guys a little sound test to it. It sounds clicky, but it's a little bit creaminess to it. It's not super clicky though. I'm not too entirely sure the exact switches on this, but it actually sounds pretty nice compared to like my previous keyboard I had, which was like a Red Dragon keyboard. It doesn't sound as loud, but it does sound pretty good to say the very least. Okay, I was originally gonna use the ribbon with the setup, but I'm just not going to because it's like the screws are really cheap and the ribbon's nice quality, just like it's a weird like setup design.
Hey, what's this for?
Trent?
What the fuck?
I'm a cool brother, aren't I?
You are a cool brother.
Next up, we got our mic kit, which is the AM8T from FIFA. And then we also have these pair of headphones, which we'll quickly set up these real quick here. Unfortunately, I don't have a headphone stand to go with this because just imagine a little headphone stand right here. That would look amazing. I'll have one link down below if you're interested in picking one up. Now, I would prefer to do a wall-mounted setup instead of a desk-mounted because when you slam your desk and stuff when you rage, you'll hear in the mic. I have to pull the desk a bit over this way so I can actually slip this on in. Now, the good thing about this microphone is that we can actually increase the gain on it, and we can also adjust the actual mic output to listening to our headphones from the 3.5 audio jack. But we're gonna connect this via USB-C because this is an XLR port, but I don't think my brother's gonna necessarily need this. However, if you are a streamer, if you wanna get like a entry-level XLR mic setup, you can do this. And then if you don't wanna do that, you can always use the USB-C port for the time being. Okay, so ran into a small issue. We have enough ports, so I had to grab a USB-C hub, so this will add more USB ports for our laptop. With that, the setup looks amazing. We got the mic, we got headphones, we got a nice mouse and keyboard, and the setup looks great. And if he wants to push the actual mic back, you can just do like so. So overall, this setup looks absolutely amazing. So the next thing we're gonna do is a little gaming test with Fortnite to just kind of see how it runs, because honestly, this setup looks absolutely amazing and I cannot wait to see how it actually runs. And dude, I am looking forward to when we do our fall video with this, making like the perfect laptop streaming setup. Because like right now, this laptop setup is absolutely amazing. Just imagine though, what we do with it, if we set up like another PC with it or a console with it to actually stream. If you don't want to miss out on that video, definitely get subscribed because I am looking forward to it. So we're at the battle bus, we're roughly around like here, it's around now 200 to like 120 for 1% lows to 60. So I'd say it's probably around like 80 to 81 1% lows to near 70s. The big thing with it is, since we're recording in the background with OBS Studio, it is taking a hit to it. The cooling on the laptop is good, it's using liquid metal, but doesn't mean it's gonna be the craziest performance in the world. Oh, I say gamer, I used the balloons to get some movement because well, I did not have anything. Oh, really? Stole my car? Oh, you're so lucky. I'm almost out of ammo too. What the bush? Bro, I got bush yetied on, bro. I didn't realize that kid was there. He broke my ankles. That was a good game, though. Dude, this setup is nice. This setup is really nice. I'm not gonna lie. I'm really happy with everything. All right, let's get my brother's reaction now. I'm looking forward to this. Okay, you ready, Bert, for your new setup?
Yeah, man.
Here it is.
Oh my God. Wait, this is crazy. Holy shoot.
I went all out for your setup.
Oh my
We got a
God.
nice 60% keyboard,
60%.
nice Logitech mouse. You got a whole dedicated mic because every single time you ask me for a mic, you say, I need one.
Guilty. Guilty.
Then we got your Steel Series here for your Arctic headphones. And
Yeah,
then
man.
a nice PC here, 5070, a 12-core CPU, which can be more than enough for gaming. And this is a dual monitor setup, so you can use this one to place like maybe your OBS there or Discord or something. And you can game on that one right there. It's not the highest refresh rate ever. Then again, it is the original monitor, but still,
Yeah.
like,
That's awesome, dude. This is so cool. Thanks, man. This is awesome.
no problem, bro. The only problem with this mouse pad is that I got a small one back then. I thought it was extra large. I thought it was gonna be like take up more table space. The good thing is like you have a lot of space if you want to like set some headphone stand over there or like maybe eat food because I know you like doing that here. Just be
Yeah.
careful. Even though it's a white mouse pad, let's try not to get it dirty. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know what you're saying.
Come on, let's get a kill. Let's get a kill. Oh no, the video ends when you die. Oh, okay, okay. There's one. There's one. No shot. Fine,
Don't
fine.
forget to like and subscribe this video.